Good morning. Happy April. Is it April already? Wow. I didn't post a March video. January, March, April, yeah, March, because nothing to report really in the job market front or anything, too exciting. It's just basically the market stagnant. What can I say? Not seeing much jobs posted of any interest like how it was, before COVID, during COVID. It's just really, you know, and so what do we do? So if you're looking for a new job at the moment, should you still consider applying for jobs and everything? So yeah, don't give up. Someone somewhere out there is going to want to be able to hire you. Um, what I am seeing is that, although jobs are posted for remote, which I really need, so that I can be able to take care of my wife and stuff like that and kids, because she's got multiple sclerosis, is to make sure that I could get like a fully remote job. Um, so some jobs are saying that you need to be able to go into the office like twice a week. And it's like, yeah, that's okay. But, while you're on the interview and stuff like that, you ask the question, well, what are you hoping for us to achieve on those visits to the office? And they'll be like, yeah, we don't know. So it's just like, well, what's the point in coming in? They're like, yeah, we don't know. I'm just like, okay, cool, no probs. So I skip those. But point being is that yeah, just don't give up on your dream. Don't give up on anything of the sort. So, what's the new hype? What's the new buzz I'm seeing is AI. Everything is AI this, AI that. And what I'm seeing as a trend in the market is that if you are a platform engineer, DevOps engineer, it used to be where you would just need to know infrastructure as code, how to do pipelines. That'll be about it. And then it grew into you need to know about networking, and then you need to know about now data and what's ETL and SQL. And now they're adding on AI to all those things that you needed to learn up on. So point being is that it's a new trend. You gotta learn it. If you're in this field or this industry of technology and stuff like that, it is the thing that you need to be able to pick up. No doubt about it. So yeah, that's just basically what I'm seeing in today's market and where you need to be able to go and do things. So in terms of what to do next, sorry, I'm looking at my work laptop. Um, you know, that's what you need to be able to do, just be able to just rehone on your skills and stuff. Um, what I'm seeing in the market as well is, Azure DevOps is being overtaken by GitHub or GitHub Actions. So start jamming up on that. AWS is still popular. Google, not so much. Azure, in demand. So let's just take a look at the job market. I'll just share my screen. Why don't I? And I can share this one. And let's see what we have here in the job front, shall we? So yeah, so I'm searching Azure engineer contract roles, 7 days, not selecting, but I always untick like if the job is not stated, if the rate is not stated, because I don't think it's a real job. I've never applied. I've applied for, those jobs before where the rate wasn't stated and you get called promptly, but it's just usually just like a recruiter fishing. What I find is that you've got the recruiter who's on the phone and just basically saying something along the lines of, "Oh yeah, what are you doing now? What's your skills? Can you tell me how much you get paid?" And you would tell them, it's like four, five, £600 or whatever like that, and they just go, "Okay, thanks, give us a call if we have anything, we give you a call back." And what I've found is that through the industry is just basically those people trying to identify how much someone should get paid or how much people are getting paid to then therefore pitch to their client. Um, yeah, sadly that's how it is. But I'm also seeing repeat jobs. So out of these 478, I'll probably say about 78. That's just, it's a bit of an arbitrary figure, but I think it's close to being realistic. 78 of those are just relisted jobs or dead jobs. 100 of those are not relevant. So you're probably looking at about 30 jobs are relevant to being zero engineer. Same for AWS, excuse me, where Yeah, you got 438. What I do find is that those people who are actually posting for AWS jobs are actually more of live jobs that are there. There it seems to be associated with people I know. But if you look here, see what I mean by this? Where the jobs is just repeated, so this one company's repeated this jobs one, two, three, four, five, six, seven times. You know what I mean? So same job seven times. So it's just like that's what I just basically have to say. Would you get a new job? Or is there a new job that I could be able to get? Yeah, there will be, don't sweat it. It is there. You just need to be able to just hone in on your skills and be able to keep applying and see where you can go. Don't sweat it. It's there. You will be able to get something. Um, and that's just basically what it is. So we just gotta ride this wave out and just see where we are. On the plus side, it's just like, you know, just this won't last forever, but at the same time, what you need to do is just get ready for when the skills are in demand. So what do you do at this point in time? Is to just chill out, study as much as you possibly can, do the exams, and then put it onto your CV, and then keep posting jobs that are relevant and stuff like that. Try to get some feedback from recruiters as well as to say, like, I've posted my CV. Can you just spend 5 minutes just tell me, what you think I should change or what's good or, what tactic I should be applying for. There are some good recruiters out there that would just give you a few pointers that are there. Or you could just join my group. I've got a WhatsApp group where basically we talk about CVs and, we have, how do you say now? We do have some discussions about like how to help your skills and stuff like that, but that's for a limited time period. I've got a waiting list of people who are actually trying to get onto my WhatsApp group. So if you make a comment or connect to me via LinkedIn and say, "Hey, can I get onto your WhatsApp group?" Then what will happen is that I'll get a few discussions with you, see where you're at, making sure that you're not actually gonna take all the things away from the group. You're looking to contribute as well. After we have a discussion, then I'll put you on a waiting list and say, "Okay, you know, let's see how you slot in and go from there." But that's about it, ladies and gentlemen. I can't really say anything much other than good luck, but just keep studying. What am I doing next? AI 900. I'm going to do my skills on that to see, you know, it's a really interesting topic. There's some really interesting things about AI that I like. I don't think it's going to actually going to replace people in technology. I think it's actually going to expand on technology a lot more. Now, we got to be remember as well, the more technology that's being adapted or adopted or taken up, the more likely you're going to need to have that secured. Most likely you're going to need that engineered. The most likely you're going to need that architected. So, yeah, don't be unfair about the new technology hype. Embrace it. Um, it's going to make life a lot better, in my opinion. But that's just my opinion. Anyway, do the dude out. Have a good day. I'll post something a little bit tomorrow, probably like hone on the A900 and share with you where I get the materials from and stuff like that. Anyway, be good.